Shedding any illusions. Understanding and using this English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, shed any illusions. This expression is powerful and can significantly impact how we communicate our understanding or changes in perception. If you've ever found yourself realizing the truth behind a misunderstood concept or situation, you're already on your way to grasping this phrase. Let's explore what it means to shed any illusions and how you can use it effectively in your conversations. To shed any illusions means to discard any false beliefs or misconceptions you might have about a particular situation, person, or concept. The word shed here is used in the sense of getting rid of something, similar to how a snake sheds its skin or how we might shed clothes that no longer fit us. Illusions refer to beliefs or ideas that are not based on reality, things we might believe strongly until we are faced with the actual facts. This phrase is often used when someone realizes the truth about something and accepts that their previous beliefs were incorrect. It's about facing reality, even if it's challenging or disappointing. Understanding how to use this phrase in real-life contexts can help you communicate more effectively. Here are a few examples. In personal growth, after years of struggling, I finally shed any illusions I had about becoming a professional athlete. It was time to focus on a more achievable career path. In relationships, we need to shed any illusions that our relationship can survive without communication. It's essential we talk openly about our feelings. In work and business, the team had to shed any illusions about the project's simplicity. Once they understood the challenges, they approached the work with more realistic expectations. These examples show how recognizing and moving beyond one's misconceptions can lead to personal development, healthier relationships, and more realistic approaches in various aspects of life. Shedding illusions is crucial for several reasons. It allows us to face reality. Confronting the truth can be difficult, but it's necessary for growth and progress. Make informed decisions. When we operate under false beliefs, our decisions are not based on reality. By shedding illusions, we make choices that are better aligned with the facts. Improve understanding. This phrase encourages us to question our beliefs and assumptions, leading to a deeper understanding of ourselves and the world around us. Shedding any illusions is a powerful step towards personal growth, better communication, and a more realistic approach to life's challenges. By embracing the truth and discarding misconceptions, we open ourselves to genuine opportunities for change and improvement. I hope this video has helped clarify what it means to shed any illusions and why it's a valuable process in our lives. Thank you for watching, and remember, embracing reality is the first step towards making meaningful progress. See you in the next video.